What's up guys, my name is Daisy Carlene and I'm an artista based in Los Angeles, California, and I'm here to show y'all how I take my art studio from this to this. Since I live in a small space, my goal is really to minimize the amount of stuff that I have as well as maximizing my space. So that's the goal for today, and stay tuned to see the process. I'm gonna start out first with my desk here. As you can see, I got the Alex drawers from IKEA, which are very cute and sleek. However, this is where I hold my paints, and honestly, it's very messy how I keep it. Honestly, it takes me a while sometimes to find the right color. So I'm gonna take these out and we're gonna go from there. Here I have some packing materials along with more paints. These are my bigger tubes, so I like to keep them a little bit separate. So here we go, we're gonna take them all out. So here are some of the things I have on my desk. As you can see, I got my little paintbrush holder, which is super outdated and also messy. We have some fabric paints. We got my Gamma gloss, the varnish painting. Paintbrush holder, which has been used and abused. I got a hole and tape on it, gotta go. We also have some containers that hold my markers, this cute little speaker. We're gonna clean all this out and then bring in a whole new setup. So here I have my in-home gallery filled with my older pieces that I feel no longer align with the kind of new idea that I want to go for. And also, these are actually all for sale on my website, so go ahead and check it out. Alright y'all, so we just emptied out everything in the drawers along with taking down my gallery here. So the next step is to break apart this desk along with building the new one. So I'm excited for that. And then yeah, we're gonna start setting up the new design. It's time to screw. So we finally built the new desk. As you can see, it's pretty versatile. We can do it into a full table or we can make it into kind of a cart. However, since I have a lot of supplies, I'm still gonna build up this new cart that I got at Michael's and finally set up all the supplies I have. So let's do it. We only have a tiny pack of screws. Look at how beautiful. Beautiful. Hey guys, so it's day 30 today, and it's the most exciting part because we actually are gonna set up everything. As you can see, this is a new and empty space, not so new, but empty. And yeah, we're gonna have my desk here along with the art part. And you know what, you're just gonna see in a bit how I'm gonna set this up. Hey guys, so as you can see, this is how my art studio came out, and I'm super happy with the results. It's so much more organized and spacious, which was the main goal of this whole revamp. So I have my art cart here, as you guys saw, with my paints and brushes, along with my desk, which is right by the window, which gives me some great lighting. So when I start sketching and painting, it really gives me the perfect amount of light I need. So hopefully you guys get inspired to do the same and let me know what you guys think. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.